guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I've received my Globox for the month of May 2018. Actually, I was to receive my Globox for the month of April, but unfortunately I didn't receive it in the month of April, and I had to reorder my Globox for the month of May. I'll tell you what exactly happened. Actually, I've made another video on what Globox has done with me. Like, what they did was very disappointing. I don't want to talk more about it in this video, so I would request you to watch that particular video, which I have already posted on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to unbox all the products that I've received in my Globox for the month of May 2018. So this is how the box looks. It's the same box which we receive every month with the Globox logo on it. And when I open this, I have 3 cards here. The first card is the welcome card or the thank you card. The second one is share the love card. So this is the share the love card. The third card that I have here is refer and earn card. It says tell your friends about us and enjoy a 10% discount on your next box. The first product that I've received in this particular box is from the brand Plum. This is the Plum Skin and Hair Food Face Brightening Pack. It brightens the skin and adds a refreshing glow to the skin. It's of 100 grams and the ingredients of this face pack are multani mitti, sandalwood powder, wild turmeric, Kashmiri saffron and licorice. It is free of parabens and sulfates. You need to use it within 3 months of opening, and the MRP is 599 rupees. So it's in powder form. You can make a face pack or a hair pack using this powder, and so it's a natural product, so I'm very excited to use this product. The second product which I liked very much is from the brand Aspasia. Is the perfume shower cologne. It's Aspasia perfume shower cologne Dolce Vert. And the MRP for this is 1400 and the expiry is in June 2020. So this is how the packaging looks. It has a very beautiful packaging, and also I love the smell of this particular perfume. Very mild and stays for a very long time. I've already used it, so and also I like this product. The third product that I have here is from the brand LA Girl Booming Lash Mascara. It's the weight of this product is 8.5 grams, and it's in the shade dark brown. I've never used a dark brown mascara, so I thought why not use this one. And this is how the packaging looks. So the price for this product is it's 595 rupees. Also the price for the Plum face mask is 599 rupees. So the fourth product that I have with me is also from the brand Plum. It is called the Plum Skin and Hair Food. It is the hair strengthening oil. It prevents hair fall and provides nourishment to the hair, and it's of 100 ml. The key ingredients are cold pressed organic coconut oil, amla, brahmi, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, clove, beam seni camphor, aloe vera gel, wild rose, bring raj, jatamansi, nagar moth, chunk pushpi, and hibiscus flowers. So it has way too many products and all of those herbal products which are good for your hair. So I'm really looking forward to using this product because I hope it really works on my hair because uh, I have never used this brand. So the price for this is 499 rupees. Then the final product I have here is from the brand Nil. This is Nil USA Liquid Foundation, uh, and the net volume is 30 ml. Now, guys, I did not opt for this product. I had chosen a different product, and I don't know why they've sent me this foundation. uh, it's not that I won't be able to use it or I don't want to use it. I can definitely use it because it is of the this shade does match my skin tone. I can definitely use this product, but what I didn't like, see, it's very easily blendable. So I did like this foundation, but the only thing I'm not happy with is that they've sent me a different product than what I've chosen. They are giving you options to choose your own product as per your choice. Then why would they send you some other product without even informing you? So that's what I did not like in this whole box. But I'm going to make use of this product anyways. So they have sent me some thing here. So this is the keychain which has the Globox logo here. Like they've sent me the Globox keychain, and they've also sent me this AC Plus Clean Up Gel Lotion. This is a sample. I honestly don't know how to use this product. I'm assuming it's for it helps in. I honestly don't know how to use this product. I'm assuming that it is for cleaning up your skin. So I'll see. I'll check and I'll see how I can use this product. So those were all the products that I received in this month's Glow Box. There were a few things that I was not happy with, but there were other things like this perfume. So there was this perfume which I liked the most, and also I'm looking forward to use this plump face mask and also this plump hair oil. So and also I like this LA Girl Booming Lash Mascara, which I've chosen myself. So those were all the products that I received this month in my Globox. I don't know if I'm going to subscribe again for Globox or not because of the bad experience I had to go through last month and also this month. Uh, so that was it for this video, guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on that like button and do click on the bell icon as well to get notified about my future videos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.